it's over. From afterwards, you have to run 3 rounds.
Class 6 will be taking part in the athletics meet,
not understood, can ask me.
and it is going to be a very exhilarating experience
From you,
for all the
start
18
from
of
there.
them.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ರೌಂಡ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್
They can run any track.
ಎನಿ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ ಓಡಬೇಕು
First track le odu. Okay, need not run
All
out
these
outer track.
participants of
Okay,
the class 6
moment you get the
are
fire, you can come inside the
very
any track you
inspired
can
to
run.
run
ಯಾವುದೇ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಓಡ್ರಿ
the 1500 meters.
The first is the
ಡೋಂಟ್ ರನ್ ಹಿಯರ್
This
ಬಿಡಿ
event
good thing
is
is that you should run on
ಇಲ್ಲಿ
the
ಓಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ
especially conducted for the cadets of class 6 to
ಇಬ್ರು ಓಡಬೇಕು
encourage them to actively take part in all the sports events
do not
which shall add to their physical fitness.
front runner and always take overtake from the right side of the front runner. Okay boys,
ಈಗ ಓಡ್ತಾನಂತೀರಿ
in case
ನಾ ಓಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಓಡ್ಬೇಕು ಯಾಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಹಾಳು ಮಾಡಿ
Anyone who
you have
has
to
their
disturb
key,
the front runner.
a
That's all.
gold and color
Okay,
key
boys.
without a keychain
All the best.
collected from cadet Chandrakant of Salakya of class 10.
ಇದು ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡೋದು ನೋ ನೀಟ್ 1500